He's doing well. Wanted to get on here and just do a US30 really analysis really quick in regards to just really kind of where we're at right now. And again, I'm going to share my screen here. Do a split screen here. Let's do a share screen. Let's talk about US30. Let's talk about where US30 is at right now. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of break this down in regards to just really what we're looking at right now. In regards to an opportunity or opportunities, both to the upside and then also to the downside. And again, I am currently on Facebook Live, Trust Your Trade, and then also on YouTube. So let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Give me 1 second here. Perfect. Let's go. All right, great. So what I'm looking at here is I'm just going to kind of break this down, and really all I'm simply doing is looking at price action, just looking at really, is she consolidating? Where has she consolidated? What does that look like? Okay, so obviously, again, we're just going to simply go off of bodies here, okay, and we're on the hour time frame. Looking at it from a higher time frame gives us a better analysis of exactly where we're at. So again, this is exactly where we're at here. Okay, and again, we're going to break this down even further here. I'm going to look at like these zones right here. Okay. And right here. Okay. So again, as you can see here, okay, price action. This is simply price action. This has nothing to do with bank zones. This is simply just price action trading. Okay. This is just, kind of giving an analysis of obviously where we're at. We're obviously in a downtrend, and we're going to continue in a downtrend. Okay. We could possibly, get some movement to the upside. Okay. But again, we are going to remain in a downtrend. And let's look at this on a fib. Okay. Let's look at this drop on a fib. Okay. And again, we're looking at it from the hour time frame. All right. So again, we're going to grab here. We're going to come down here. Okay, so again, if you look at it from a fib, we still have some room to kind of get up and possibly make our way up into this area here. This is the golden zone. Okay, so again, we could possibly pull back all the way up here. And again, as you can see up here, we do have an area of resistance right here. Okay, we have an area of resistance right here. Okay, this is a ceiling that she will definitely run into. But as you can see, it's in the golden zone here. It's in the golden zone. Okay. And again, that definitely, anything past this here, we could possibly actually just recorrect all of this if we pass this golden zone here. But again, the golden zone is a nice area where we could possibly see a change of direction, or again, if she comes back and actually pulls back all the way up into this area, we could possibly see her retest that area. Okay, so we'll kind of just leave that marked up there. All right, let's get rid of that. Okay, actually, let's put that line back there. Okay. And let's get rid of this fib here. All right. So what I'm going to look at here is obviously we have 27 minutes left on this candle. What I would like to do is I'd like to definitely see US30 move past this level here. This would definitely be a great sign for me to definitely get into the downside and look for a trade here. Okay, so again, I would have an entry. at about 920, break and close below 920. Okay, break and close below 920. Okay, I would then look at going down about my first TP on this break and close below 920. Okay, on the sell, 920. Okay, give me 1 minute here. Okay. Okay, so again, what we're looking at here is we're looking at just doing a quick analysis of really what the potential opportunity is. Okay. We're gonna have the entry of 30920 BC. Okay, so break and close. Okay. Okay. We're looking at a stop loss. Looking at a stop loss at about 31,021. And then let's talk about our TPs here. Okay, that's about where I would look at here. Kind of first TP here. Okay. Second TP here. And then I would say kind of a third TP there. If you're looking at, possibly three TPs, that is a drop of about 200 points. Okay. So again, we have TP1. Okay. Literally at 30847. TP2. Three zero 793 and a TP 30711. Okay. So again, just based off this is looking at the hour time frame. Okay, this is looking at the hour time frame. Again, this is a break and close below this 920 area. Break and close. I can see us definitely falling down into first. We have to break this zone here. Okay, we have to break this zone here. We have to break this zone. If we break these zones here, we then fall down and we hit this floor here. All right. So again, just analysis based off of just what I see, as far as just analyzing kind of where the market's at, where it could potentially go, and let's see what happens here. All right. So here, okay, here. Okay, I'm gonna break this out here. for a buy stop. Break this out for a buy stop. I'm going to take a couple TPs here. Okay. All right, here we go, guys. Buy stop. Okay, entry. Okay, entry would be 31121. 31121. Break and close above. Okay. So let's just change this here real quick. Okay. Break and close above. Okay, my first TP is going to be 192. Okay, so stop loss. Stop loss is going to be 31041. Okay, TP 1 is 31191. The next one is all right, guys. So again, what I did is I simply just analyzed US30 just based off of where US30 is at right now and the potential opportunities. So obviously what we're looking at right now, she's consolidating in between this area. Okay. She's obviously come and touched this, this 920 area. She bounced off. She then came and touched here. Okay. Wicked up above. Okay. Wicked up above. Okay, she now is coming back down into this area here. So one or two things is going to happen. She's either going to bounce back up and continue up. But if she breaks through here, okay, I would say please take a sell stop. Okay, sell stop entry at 30920. Okay, 30920. Okay, and then obviously here's your numbers here, taking it all the way down to these three levels here. Okay, so this here. Okay, this is our first TP here. And then this is second TP here. Okay, so again, entry point, I'm gonna put entry point. Let's make that entry purple. We're gonna make this entry okay. So again, guys, the purple is the entry points. Okay, entry points, purple. And then obviously you can see the greens on up and down are those are the TPs. Okay, so again, obviously for my group for investing made easy, we obviously put out a signal. This is kind of the breakdown of really really a little bit deeper of the signal. But again, the signal is obviously just giving you 30 points. But again, these are potential opportunities that can definitely happen if we continue to move in one of these directions. But again, obviously, all you want to do is you want to trail your stop. You want to definitely trail your stop in any of these directions. But again, this kind of goes in line with obviously the signals that we were definitely given tonight and the directions that we want to go. I just simply wanted to break it down based off of just really what we see, just based off of, again, I don't have any indicators up. I don't have anything out. I'm not anticipating, or I'm not saying, hey, the market's going to do this or the market's going to do that. The market's going to do one of two things. It's either going to move to the upside or it's going to move to the downside. Okay. And we have it tracked either way to definitely catch bags either way. Okay. So again, I just wanted to get on here and just really give you analysis just based off of just raw, looking at the candles, looking at the charts, just price action. Okay. I'm not predicting whether it's going one way or the other. What I'm simply doing is setting it up so that if it goes one way, I'm set up. If it goes one way, the other way, I'm set up. And again, that's exactly, really, again, I don't care if it goes up or down. I simply am prepared and ready for either trade, whichever direction it does go. Okay. So again, just just really just looking at really what we're looking at right now. Can you guys hear me? Give me a 7 if you guys could hear me. 7 if you guys could hear me. 7 if you guys could hear me. Perfect. So what I'm simply doing is just really analyzing. Obviously, there's one of two things that can happen. And again, one of the things that I've asked is, people just asking, kind of more of really, if you can give me some, really some analysis of really what I'm looking for. Obviously, I've been doing this now for about 2.5 years, and so again, I wanted to really just show you guys, really how you can utilize this not only on the scalp, but really just really just really in any type of situation. Once you understand price action, that's all that I'm simply doing here is just trapping her, just realizing, obviously we're on a 1 hour, because when we look at a 1 hour, it obviously determines and gives us a little bit bigger of a picture. Obviously on a higher time frame, your structure is a lot more solid. Okay. And it shows a more defined direction of what she's going to most likely do. Okay. So again, obviously what we have her set up here is we have her set up saying, hey, if we break this zone here, okay, if we break this zone right here, okay, we could potentially fall TP1, TP2, TP3. If we break this zone here, we look at TP1 right above these wicks, and then TP2 is again correcting all of this here, and then hitting this resistance right here on the left hand side. Okay, so again, just wanted to kind of give you guys a little bit of sauce. Again, I know we Sand puts out these signals, but again, I just really wanted you guys to understand why those signals come in. And if you look at really where Sand signals are, okay, they're a little bit above these areas. They're a little bit above these areas. Like for example, if you look at the COT entry is 30 on a buy stop, 31048, 31048. Okay, he's simply saying right here 3148. He's simply saying right here, if he breaks above these wicks right here, okay, we could potentially go up for about 30 points. Okay, again, safer for me would be breaking this zone here. But again, absolutely. I mean, he's absolutely right in the sense of here, you break these wicks here, you could definitely most likely get 30 points here. And if that's all that you're looking to get, boom, you're in and out. Okay, so definitely a great entry. Definitely a great entry. But if we really look at the bigger picture and we look at actually, really, where she's trading at in the definite zone and really trapping her, this would be that zone where we're at as far as the setup here. We're looking at above these wicks here, above these wicks, breaking above these wicks, and literally giving us 30 points. Okay, on the sell stop, 30944, 30944. Okay, 30944. We're literally right here again. 30944. Right here, right below this wick here. Okay, so again, we're most likely going to see this come in and be able to take that for 30 points. But again, if she drops here and she breaks this level, she most likely can continue to fall. What's up, Kevin? What's going on? How's your how's your funded account going? You got that funded account yet? What's up, James? How you doing? Let's go. Again, I just wanted to get on here, guys. Like I said, really just I trade US30. I honestly, man, like, taking these trades right now. Look, she just doesn't move. She does not move like she does. There's no movement. It's just very difficult. But at the end of the day, if you trail your stop properly, if I got into this trade, if she broke this here, I got into this trade, took the sell stop. Before I go to bed, I'll definitely see where she's at, and I'll most likely close out the trade. But again, if you're looking to do some intraday trading, move your stop loss. Okay, move your stop loss. There you go. This is the potential of where she could potentially go. Okay, but cool, man. I appreciate you guys jumping on. Man. Appreciate you guys jumping on for sure. Just a quick little session. Yeah. Quick little session. Man. So Kevin, are you trading anything else? Do you do NAS? Do you do S&P? Do you do anything else? Or you just work in US30 like most of us? And again, man, I'm on a platform where, man, we can definitely, we can do some cool stuff in here. Okay. Okay, cool. Yeah, man, the night numbers for me, honestly, like, if like, for example, the night numbers here, like, obviously this is just a nice little setup here, but the night numbers for me, if they start moving, they start moving a lot. They start moving a lot faster for me. I would say probably around 1 p.m. Central Standard Time for me. But man, like, once he puts them out until about 12:30, 12:45, there's no movement at all. But again, just based off of what he put out, we're most likely going to that sell is probably going to go in. Okay, that sell is probably going to go in just because that sell is right here. The sell is obviously right here, literally right below this green green body here. Okay, so again, the sell is probably going to enter, and then again, if she breaks this zone right here, honestly, man, she's going to continue to fall. And again, these are kind of some areas where you can kind of watch her fall to. But again, just kind of marked it up. Yeah, man, absolutely. I think, again, really what this is, though, man, is this is really just price action, on a higher time frame. Again, and then once you learn price action, you can trade on a higher time frame. Look at intraday trading. You can definitely do that. But again, then you just go down to the 5 minute and you just get some mad scalps. So yeah, man, those funded accounts aren't no joke. And again, that's why, honestly, man, like, I literally leverage properly and I'm just in and out. I don't play around. Once I hit, $700 to $1,000 goal a day, I do not play around with that account. Or if I even just take a loss, again, I just stop trading for that day so that I don't hit, a daily limit, things like that. But yeah, man, I mean, just a great way, obviously, you now can get back in, on that traded account at a discounted price. But what's nice about it is you're not, putting in another $1,000 into an account or another $500 into an account. You're able to get that traded account, learn what you did this time, put that into effect. And again, I would definitely maybe not go to sleep with trades open on that funded account, just because again, you just never know what she can do. Um, so yeah, absolutely, man. Keep doing what you're doing. Keep grinding, man. Keep grinding. Let's see if James is on still. James, you still on? What's good, James? How's that funded account going? How's that funded account going, James? You do. You still do have a daily drawdown, but again, it's a funded account. You know what I mean? You're now getting a percentage. Yep, absolutely, absolutely. How are you? How are you doing, James? You almost done? Where are you at with that funded account? Okay, cool. Yeah, you just, man. Again, if you get in the hole, honestly, on that funded account, literally, just stop trading on it, go into the new day. Don't try to revenge on it. Just start fresh tomorrow. And just that's what I did is I literally, man, if I took a loss, if I had a pullback, literally, man, I just took my loss on it, and then I just literally got back in tomorrow, and made it up. But man, just keep it going. Definitely. Yeah. Is James on Zoom? James is on Zoom. Yeah, James is on Zoom when in the morning. James gets on in the morning. Yep. Yeah. Yeah, man. I'm telling you, like she starts moving. She starts moving, and I don't really take these Sands trades on my funded account. I honestly don't. Yeah, I don't usually take Sands. And again, man, I usually don't. Like I said, I don't like to take a whole lot of trades. Leaving them open. Obviously, a lot of people just been kind of asking me in regards to just really marking up charts. What type of what does that look like? And so again, I'm just trying to get on here and just really kind of analyze, like, we put out these signals, but what does that signal look like? And how do we get to that signal? Why does that signal make sense? And so that's you know and so that's what I like want to do, is just really educate you guys, from, again, like, obviously we do scalping in the morning. That's what I do. And again, I've showed you guys, honestly, like, if she's moving at night, we can definitely utilize bank zones, and we can do the same thing. But again, man, like, um like, for example, like, he put out some entries here, just really even going off of bank zones, off those entries, 10 more points, things like that. Again, I just like to I like to trade on those numbers, those even numbers. So again, here we go, guys. We're about to actually get in this trade here. We're currently right now at 56. So we got about 10 points to move down, and 10 points to move down, and we should be able to get into that sell stop that he has set up. That sell stop, that he has set up at 30944. 30944. Yeah, Monday was a weird day for me. Monday was a weird day. She obviously had one of these big candles, and then she literally tanked. One of these big green candles pulled up, and then she literally fell after that. So yeah, you definitely, again, it's very important to just understand where we're at as an economy. We're not pulling out of this thing anytime soon. So again, we're most likely going to be looking for sells. There definitely will be a little bit of some rallies here and there, but again. I think we're in a down market right now, and so again, I think that we just need to just be reminded of really where we're at. You know, and just kind of kind of look for look for the direction. I like to definitely look at the hour, the 15, see are we confluent on the 15 on the hour, and then the 5 minute, kind of where are we at, where are we at on that 5 minute, as far as are we under these EMAs, things like that. So yeah, man. However, I can help you guys out in any way that I possibly can, man. That's what I'm here to do. I definitely enjoy, definitely the sessions in the morning. And again, man, it's literally a hack. It's literally a hack of that 3 points. And it works. It works for me. I'm able to definitely manipulate it. I'm definitely able to take advantage of it. And again, it definitely is been impactful for me, for my life, and all of that. But yeah, just keep going, guys. Like, man, you guys have really taken on the funded accounts. You guys have definitely just both of you, James and Kevin, have just you know um, just grinding. Kurt was talking possibly Bitcoin going down to $10 to $12. Wow, I didn't get on that session. I'll have to go rewatch it. Interesting. Wow. That's freaking crazy. That is crazy. Man, I'm loading up. I'm not even playing around. I'm loading up. I'm loading up. Oh, 10K. 10 to 12K. Okay. Cool. Yeah, man, I'm loading up. I was like $10, $12. Damn. No, 10K. Okay. 10K. Again, I think it just makes sense, man. Like, obviously we just came out of a pandemic. We see a lot of layoffs, tech companies. We see a lot of bubbles being burst right now. Again, price, gas prices just being outrageous. We see mortgage rates going up. So again, man, it's tough right now. Things are challenging. Obviously, trying to get things back on track. I would say probably, this third quarter will be a little bit challenging. I would say probably October, November, we could possibly start seeing some things move. Obviously, see if we get, see if there's some spending over the holidays, things like that. So yeah, man, man, I'm buying. I'm go right now. I'm definitely gonna, I definitely need to jump on some of those sessions, and just really kind of start looking at some different coins, on the crypto side, and just load up. Yep. Yeah, I just wanted to get on here and just really, really just kind of do an analysis really quick. Just really looking at, obviously, the signals that IME, Investing Made Easy, San, gave us, and just wanted to just really analyze those. Just based off what he gave us, kind of go a little bit deeper as well. Just really showing exactly, on an hour time frame, where she's at, what she's trading, what she's doing, and obviously what she could potentially do. Okay. So again, uh, we're about 10 points. We're about 10 points from. Uh, we're about 10 points from the 31048 entry. About 7 points. Yeah, man, XRP is good. I like XRP for sure. I like that. I'm an ETH guy as well. I like Ethereum as well. I definitely like Ethereum. So XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, those are definitely in the top five for sure. Luna, man, like I said, I didn't have a whole lot in there. I definitely, I had pulled quite a bit, at a earlier time. So again, I definitely got out before Luna kind of took its dump. I like Dot as well. I definitely like the ecosystem of Dot, and the para, the paraffins, in Dot, and just really being able to stake. I definitely like those projects for sure. But yeah, man, stay on that funded account. Keep going, man. You're so close, man. You're so close. How far are you away from from your percentage? Because I think you have to get what, 2%, 4%, 4% on your second round. So 8% on your first round, 4% on your second round. So I'm not even on Zoom right now, man. I'm literally on Facebook Live right now, and I'm on YouTube. That's what I'm on right now. So I'm not even on Zoom. There's no Zoom meeting right now. Just us having a conversation. YouTube has a delay. Okay, cool. So yeah, man, I definitely have. We need to definitely connect. I'm gonna definitely start doing this. Maybe a couple nights a week, just really kind of just doing an analysis, just kind of really answering some questions that people have when it comes to price action. I definitely can go over some indicators that I've used in the past. If you guys have an interest in that. Again, man, like I've learned tons of stuff through the academy, and again, I'd love to just kind of share what people want. RSI is probably one of my most favorite one of my most favorite indicators. I can definitely go through that, show the team how to use that. But yeah, I definitely will look at doing something like this, Zoom, maybe a couple nights a week, where we actually do some live setups like this, and really just kind of tear down. And then obviously in the mornings, man, we get on and we do our thing with our scalp sessions. So, but yeah, man, I appreciate you, James. I appreciate you, Kevin. You guys have definitely showed mad support. And again, man, however I can help you guys, really just again, like I would definitely really just on these sessions here with San is again, you just have to be careful. I wouldn't go to sleep with trades open, and like I said, you know, uh, definitely, just like I said, if you have a loss on that funded account, just get out for the day, so you don't hit your daily, and just keep moving. You know what I mean? But yeah, I'm definitely proud of you guys. That's awesome that you guys are definitely, in those funded accounts. Like I said, James, also, man, keep in mind, man, you don't need to rush through stage two. So again, take your time. Really, make sure that the market is, it is in a good place, that you want to trade in on that funded account. And then once you have that real account, man, like really what you do, during the month, man, that, to be able to make, your first month 75%, your second month 80%, and then your third month consistently 85%. Like, man, that is dope. And I believe that you get 2% on your first challenge, as far as what you did as far as profit goes. And then I think on your second challenge, on your second stage, you get 4%, and then you also get your money back as well. So yeah, just keep going, man. Be patient. Don't rush through it. I know, I've done a couple funded accounts, and one of the biggest things was just rushing through, trying to get that funded, trying to get through those challenges, just, Be patient. This is a game of patience. Be consistent, be disciplined, and man, you'll get there. Don't rush. Don't rush. Don't try to rush through those challenges. Take your time, as ever long as it takes you to get those profits, get into that next stage, and then obviously, man, getting that congratulations, is pretty awesome. Congratulating you onto that funded account, and man, it's pretty dope. But cool, guys, man, I appreciate you guys. Like I said, anything that I can do to definitely help you guys in your journey, definitely, reach out, let me know. Let's grind, let's go, and man, I will see you guys. See you guys in the morning. All right, thanks, guys. Appreciate you guys. All right, I'm out.